You ready? Here we go. Good?
Yeah.
Alright. How to upgrade the whatever the hell we're doing on a Mac. First, you need a Target brand hoodie. Place the Target brand hoodie on the table. Remove your car keys from the pocket. These are going to be important later. Put the car keys over there. Take said Mac. Throw that shit on the ground. All like that. You are absolutely required to have a Mustang key. No other key will work. Mustang key only. Stick it in the hole. Push. Pop. Flip. Pop this shit up. Wait, oh, pull these little doohickeys. Oh, just like that. Take this shit. Get her in the hole. Slide that shit in there like that. Like that. Push those thingies down. Pop this sucker back on. And oh, we are done. Flip up the Mac. Straighten it out. Steal Nico's power cable from his thing. Gotta fire it up, make sure that shit works. Slide it over here all nice and tight like.
Alright.
Push the power button. This is the important part. Push the power button. What the fuck?
Oh no.
Oh, somebody broke it. Oh, Mac. I heard it, Mac. Oh.
That's good. You're good.
It's alive.
And
Mustang.
Alright.